Today we're going to talk mostly about video prospecting. So let's dive in actually right now about what is video prospecting. So pretty simply, video prospecting is including video in your prospecting sequences with the goal of booking a meeting. It's insanely important because it helps you stand out when reaching out to prospects. Important points about video. I'd like to introduce you to two types of prospecting videos. You have the core video and the prospecting video in itself. A core video is something that you can reuse. It's one video that actually you can send to more than one prospect where it's not personalized. And the prospecting video is a personalized video that you will send to each prospect. And so it's very important to have the differentiation between these two, because the core video is typically what we send when you think about video prospecting. So when you think about video prospecting, you're like, okay, I'm going to do a demo and I'm going to show my product and show the features of the product and everything. So people will be convinced of taking a call with me because it's amazing. And that's a huge problem in here, because the idea of prospecting is to start a conversation. And once you have the conversation is to actually navigate it to book a meeting if there's a need. And a really good way to do that is to create value. And a really good way to create value is to actually shoot a core video. So core video, what is it? It's a reusable video that you can send to more than one prospect between 45 seconds and 90 seconds. And it should include call to actions at the end of the video. The thing with the core video, the goal you have in here is to create an asset that you can share. So basically when you're prospects, you can tease people with this asset. The idea of the core video is to nail down the problem. That's why you go in step one to list the problem of your ideal customer profile. So what are the problems these people are having in really concrete terms? And then you can list resources to solve these problems. And the step 4 is where I list my call to actions. So at the end of the video, I'll have different options where you can say, I want to access the resource. So that people click and have access the link to the resource. And then maybe it can be, okay, I want to book a call with Thibaut. And your step 5 is to shoot the video. So that's the prospecting video. And basically, the underlying thing here is the Netflix effect. And you want to create this kind of cliffhanger where you show people that you understand their problem and you say, you have this problem. If you do, I have something for you, but I'm not going to share it until you reply. So that's really the idea of your prospecting video. And basically with this very simple framework, you're saying, this is why I'm reaching out to you with the trigger, asking a question to show that you understand a specific problem, and then tease a resource to solve this problem and finish with the call to action. And you see here, I'm not trying to book a meeting and say, hey, click on my calendar link or whatever. I'm actually trying to get a conversation started. That's really the nature of your prospecting videos. You should just use them as a media to start conversations. Shooting a prospecting video is first building your script, preparing your setup, shooting your video, prepared for sending the video. Once it's done, you have to check a few things. So what's really important with prospecting or with video is mostly having a decent lighting and check that the microphone and the webcam are working. Then part 3, shoot the video until you're satisfied. Rename the video. So I like to rename the video first name, check this out. And then you can send the video to a prospect. So you can tease that in an email or LinkedIn by saying, hey, made this for you. And then you paste the link and you send the video. Last point that is very important is how to get over your fear of video prospecting. So this one's it's actually the biggest blocker for most people, is that they're just afraid of that. So it is uncomfortable and they're afraid of sending videos to strangers. So what I think you can do when you're actually recording your video, sometimes it's very comfortable to see your face and moving and everything. So what you can do is open a new tab where you won't see your face. So you'll be able to record the video, open a new tab, then close it and close the video. You can record your screen where your face will actually not become the subject of focus, but it's going to go like at the bottom left or right, and you'll be able to see less of it. And what you can do is to start sending videos to your colleagues. So if you want to, try and prospect with that, you can send that to your colleagues. And yeah, that's basically like my idea on video prospecting.